if you want to know more about sustainability, make sure you hit subscribe. From a client perspective, you have a vast network of buildings. Sometimes the branches are obviously inside new buildings. Sometimes there are more legacy setups. How do you sort of like marry all those different environments with the requirements of today, basically, when you set out basically the KPIs for various facility management companies that you work with?
Yes. LEED plays also a hidden role in that. So LEED sets the baseline for FM from the time of engineering and construction until the journey of the contracting and the SLA KPIs on the servicing level from FM side. So what we do in order to control old legacies and new legacies and different types of branches through a huge portfolio, we try to use elements such as upgrading the BMS, the building management systems, supporting it with sensors, so they would give the accurate reading. Following to that, we also try to add more softwares such as EV charger softwares, solar plant softwares. So from there, we will be able to move forward to covering the impacts, which will be predictive as well towards the service and the maintenance which happens on ground on daily basis. So I believe with that we are covering the full picture of maintaining the buildings, and to give a fair analysis between an old legacy and the new legacy. Following to that, also adding to this point, when we look at the old legacy, we always have a problem that linking it to the new practices in the market, especially softwares. A couple of years back, softwares were not able to integrate to read each other. But today, there is an integration. So we look at the old ones. We work into implementing, as mentioned, like HVAC, new HVAC systems, building management systems, adding meters, more meters, to compile and to generate, to adapt it, to make it adapted, to read the systems, the new systems. And we try as much as we can, we get reading from it. These systems, and from the BMS to the software and the sensors, these will be able to give more reading and to give a fair comparison between new legacies and especially the new and old lifespan assets, as well the small and large branches.
And do you take, based on those data sets, then make the decisions to replace certain systems? Like you were mentioning HVAC. Obviously, when you buy an HVAC system, it typically should have a lifespan of around 25 years, or hopefully even a little bit more than that. Do you trigger retrofitting requirements based on those data inputs, or are there other variables that you also use?
Yes. As of today, we have reached up to analyzing each and every asset from MEP to QHSE, and to see, to have it tagged, to be captured in the system, and to see the lifespan of that. So before the end of cycle of that asset, we will be able to prepare our business case study with a clear roadmap and ROIs. And then from there, we tackle with it, and we go back, and then we take the decision, a clear decision into replacing. So recently we have replaced 12 chillers in a time, just until Q1 of this year, of 2025. We were able to replace 12 chillers. Chillers, maybe we're talking about chillers a lot and HVAC systems, but in such region, having a cool vibes and right environment plays a role, where HVAC is the hidden lead of that.
Yeah, and it definitely is one of, besides being one of the largest energy consumers inside buildings,
Large
it is
assets.
obviously also driving indoor comfort. So for employees and customers, I guess
Exactly.
quite
As well
key.
as the second part, which is the lighting.
Yeah.
So we started, as mentioned, from 2019 to replace all the old light practices. And then we started to embed the new light from the choosing the warm light to the level of voltage to, and then we were able to reduce the 20% overall during that period from 2019 to 24.